What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
Where do you usually go on weekends?
I usually go to the park.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling a lot.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city very much.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ahmad.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies sometimes.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Who cooks food in your home?
My mother cooks food.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like cats.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you use the internet every day?
Yes, I use the internet every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, I play games on my phone.
Who teaches you English?
My teacher teaches me English.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Do you visit your relatives?
Yes, I visit them often.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
How often do you read books?
I read books every night.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I always help them.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually do my homework.